Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The project title is Secrecy Outage on Transmit Antenna Selection or Maximal Ratio Campaigning in MIMO Cognitive Radio Networks. The project abstract is the secrecy outage performance of transmit antenna selection or maximal ratio campaigning in multiple input multiple output cognitive radio networks over Raleigh padding channels. A secondary user equipped with antennas used to TAS to transmit confidential message to another secondary user, which is equipped with NB antennas and adopts the MRC scheme to process multiple received signal. We derive the exact and asymptotic closed form expression for the secrecy outage probability. Simulations are conducted to validate and the accuracy of the analysis. The project flow diagram is to calculate the user selection process for maximum ratio campaign in cognitive radio networks. Initially, we create an system model by using MIMO, that means multiple input and multiple output system. Next, we predict the selection for primary and secondary user selection from cognitive radio networks. Next, we find the secrecy performance analysis for outage probability of primary users. The maximum ratio of transmitted antenna will be calculated by using MRC. It means maximum ratio campaign techniques. It is to calculate asymptotic secrecy outage probability. Finally, we measure the performance for primary user selection and maximum campaign ratio. The project source code file was run from the command window. In current folder shows the number of files. In that file, we use the main.m. It is our source code file, so we have to run the main.m file, and the process will be going on. The process was completed. According to that graph, the values are shown in the workspace, so we have to check the values according to the graph. It is the minimum and maximum values are shown in the workspace. In figure 1 shows that the SOP versus IP. It is to calculate the secrecy outage probability. It is to calculate the simulations, analysis and MRC in SIMOMV system. In X label shows the IP and Y label shows that the secrecy outage probability. The curve will be like that. In figure 2 shows the SOP versus IV. According to that graph, the simulation, analysis, SE in SIMOMV values are shown in the table. The values are up to 56. We can easily measure the values according to that graph. In figure 3 shows the SOP versus omega. In X label shows the omega and Y label shows the secrecy outage probability. According to that graph, the simulations, analysis, asymptotic in SIMOMV values to plot the graph. So we can easily measure the primary and secondary user selections. According to that graph, the results will be shown on table. So we can measure easily to identify the values to plot the graph. It is to show simulations, analysis, asymptotic and SIMOMV values. In this value up to 7. In figure 5 shows the SOP versus omega. In lambda value to change, the outage probability also will be changed. The lambda value equal to 2 means the simulation results will be like that in blue color line. The lambda value is 3 means the simulation results right in black color line, and like that analysis and asymptotic values. In X label shows the omega and Y label shows the secrecy outage probability. In figure 7 shows the SOP versus omega. According to that graph, the lambda values and analysis asymptotic values are shown in the table, so we can find the values. It is the value to obtain 16. In figure 7 shows the SOP versus omega. According to that, lambda value will be increasing, the NB rate also increase. According to that graph, the values are shown in the table, so we can find the values to change the NB values. It is also the 16 values shown in the table. In figure 9 shows the SOP versus omega for asymptotic variations. In X label shows the omega value and Y label shows the secrecy outage probability. It is also varying the NB rate of lambda values. According to that graph, the asymptotic values are shown in the workspace. The lambda value will be changed. The secrecy outage probability values also change. It is up to the 16 values. The project demo was completed. Thanks to watching this video.